Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to Silolite Healing. So let us check what are your messages from the spirit guides, आपके person के energies, feelings, what are they wanting to let you know, and what are the angel messages for you. Fine, let us check. So maybe red color is important for you. Okay, I placed red cloth here. So maybe red color is important for you guys in some way. Okay, we have King of Wands. Again, red color. Yeah, so red color is definitely important for you. Red, brown, green, shades of red. Okay, those are important for you. And we have King of Wands. So आपके जो person है जिनके साथ आप deal कर रहे हैं, okay, so they are keeping tabs on you. They are stalking you. They are definitely keeping an eye on you. Yeah, they are. हो सकता है आप सेपरेशन में हो या फिर सेपरेशन में नहीं है, फिर भी they are keeping an eye on you, like what you are doing, what you are up to. Okay, and if there is very little or no communication, definitely they are keeping an eye on what you do during the day, or maybe what you are posting, what you are like through social media or otherwise. They are keeping an eye. Okay, in a good way, in a healthy way. Fine, and they are holding on to you. They are holding on to you, right? There is love that I sense here. There is love. Like we hold on to a person and we feel very safe and calm when we are around that person. That's the energy that I'm getting. We have Four of Cups. Yeah, they are wanting to come forward. They are wanting to come forward. लेकिन क्या होता है कि उनको यूनिवर्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज देते हैं या फिर डिवाइन काफी सारे साइंस एंड मैसेजेस के थ्रू, या फिर आपका कई बार नेम पॉपअप हो जाता है. कई बार दे जस्ट एक्सीडेंटली सी योर नेम समवेयर, और मे बी बर्थ डेट और समथिंग विच इज कनेक्टेड विथ यू. समथिंग ओके, समथिंग विच इज कनेक्टेड विथ यू. वो कहीं पर देख लेते हैं या फिर कोई भी सिमिलर चीज देख लेते हैं. कुछ भी हो सकता है विच रिमाइंड्स देम ऑफ यू. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट यूनिवर्स उनको जब भी ये सारी साइंस देते हैं या फिर मैसेजेस देते हैं, एट दैट पॉइंट दे आर नॉट रेडी टू रिसीव. दे आर नॉट रेडी टू डू समथिंग अबाउट दैट. Maybe they are guided to communicate, they are guided to do something for this connection, whether they are guided to come towards you and take the power in their hand and do something about this to improve the situation. Okay, but उस टाइम पे वो डर जाते हैं. There is a fear based ego as well. Okay, या तो वो डर जाते हैं या फिर they are not ready. डर हो सकता है, कोई भी डर किसी भी चीज का. Let's see what the fear is about. लेकिन they are not ready. They are just holding back. Okay, holding back. आपको वो जाने तो नहीं देंगे. वो आप पे नजर भी रख रहे हैं. वो आप कुछ करना भी चाहते हैं. As I said, they are wanting to do something, लेकिन they don't know how to approach. Okay, Page of Cups. Yeah. So there is some sort of immature energy here. They don't know what to do next. Okay. They want to come forward. Maybe they want to gift you a bouquet or something. Maybe flowers are important. Again, red color, and they want to come forward. There is love. There is love because they are wanting to offer you the cup of love. लेकिन उनको पता नहीं है कि how to take a step forward. Okay, we have lovers. Wow, see how beautiful. Just a second, I'll not be able to show you the card. I'll try to. Wait, just a second. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. The boy is watching the girl. The girl is praying to the angels. Okay, and the angels are blessing them both. So they are watching how adorable you are, how pure hearted you are. आपके इंटेंशन सिर्फ प्योर थे उनके लिए. आपका जो प्यार था, आपका लव था, it was very pure. I get clean as a word. Clean, maybe something to do with clean. Okay, maybe clean hearted. So that's a word I'm getting. And they are attracted to your qualities, your inner beauty, I would say. Inner beauty, yeah. Okay. So this is what I'm getting. Lovers is a beautiful energy. Maybe 6 number is important. June will be important for a lot of you. Maybe last year June was quite important, and maybe this year June is going to be very important for you guys. Okay, maybe your person is coming forward for you Let's see what are the messages from them. We have I lost myself for a while. Yeah. आप हमेशा ये क्वेश्चन पूछते रहते हैं या फिर हमेशा आप वंडर करते रहते हैं कि वाई इज दिस पर्सन नॉट मूविंग, वाई इज दिस पर्सन नॉट गेटिंग अफेक्टेड बाय व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, बट दे आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको कुछ they might be showing you their cold side, or maybe they are not ready to show you their vulnerable side. Okay, they are maybe not ready to express their love or something, or what they feel, because they are confused right now. They don't know what to do. Okay, as it is quite clear with this message, I lost myself for a while. उनको खुद को पता ही नहीं है कि उनको अभी क्या करना चाहिए. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन वो दिखाते नहीं है. ओके, जस्ट बीइंग नियर यू इज सो इंटॉक्सिकेटिंग. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल. आई एम बिकमिंग अ बेटर पर्सन. या सी द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में भी a transformation change, as I said, butterflies are important, and transformation change is coming in, and वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उनके लिए थोड़ा सा पेनफुल, कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है, लेकिन वो डेफिनेटली एक बेटर वर्जन के साथ आएंगे आपके पास. We have my life is not as good as it seems. Yeah, as I said.